A little old-time rockabilly groove there. And I'm going to do a little, like I said, a little rockabilly blues thing. I'm just making it up right here as we're sitting here. And I just wanted to throw it at you and give you a feel for it. So it's kind of a little bit kind of like a 50s Elvis kind of groove. So I'm starting out with a low E string, and I kind of slide up like this. So you see that I'm muffling with my right hand, which I do a lot, kind of muting a little bit. And that gives you that. So I'm sliding up from the second fret on the low E string, and I slide up to the fourth fret. So it's got it almost sounds like a. So my next note is my B note, which is the second fret on the A string, and then fourth fret A string, back to the second fret A string, and then to the low E. So in slow motion, it would sound like this. Let's see. So the actual notes are. But I'm sliding up to that G sharp, that first fourth fret low E, so it sounds like. And then the A string notes are, it goes, which is a 2, 4, 2 to the low E, open E. So here's once again slow, and then I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, you ready? Here we go. That's part one. Part two is the same exact lick, but starting with the A string. So I'm using my pinky, but you can use your third finger, whatever is comfortable. And then back to the E lick, same lick. Then when we turn around, we go to the B note, which is the second fret on the A string. That's our 5 chord, B. Same exact lick, same form, but starting with the B note, low B. Back to the A. And then back to E. So here's what it sounds like in context. I'm going to start out playing slow, and then I'm going to slowly speed it up. So it's like this. To the A chord. Back to E. To the B. E9 chord there. Here's a rockabilly chord. I'm just doing like a flat minor and then with a low E. I don't even know what that's called, but the other way to approach this is to do a quick 5, which I think I did in the very beginning. So rather than doing a 5-4, which is a B A, check out just going to the 5 and then right back to your 1. So that would sound like this. To the 5, to the 1. just doing all ninth chords there. It looks like that. That's an E ninth, an A ninth, or here. So that's like the A4, D5, G4, B5. Sounds like this. Also could be played here. Those are cool little chords that go along with the. So that's a little rockabilly romp, but hit me up, ring the bell. Love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. Be in touch, and we'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.